Hey guys, for today's video I have a quick recipe for you which will definitely make your evening snacks much tastier. Nachos, toasts or even vegetables such as celery or carrots will become your favorite partners in crime when watching movies or enjoying the company of your friends. We will need only 6 ingredients: salt, pepper, cayenne peppers, a kitchen blender, and voila, the dip is ready. In my twist to guacamole, I fully utilize the blender to have a creamy and soft dip without any bigger chunks. Plus, I save some time by letting the meshing do the main thing for me. You know what they say, the best recipes are the easiest ones. Right? Right! First I start with avocados. I suggest having ripe avocados which are firm yet soft enough. Try to press them gently. If they are hard, they are still fresh and wouldn't have any taste. Plus, they will be also hard to work with. Also, avoid the mushy ones as they usually do not have any taste anymore. I cut them into halves, rind around the seed, twist both parts to sides, open them and remove the seed. A bonus tip here, do not throw away the seed, you can grow an avocado plant at your own home. Here I have 2 avocados and once both are cut into halves, I gently cut them into cubes. I scoop the cubes into the blender and continue with the rest of the vegetables. Great! The next one on the order is the red onion and garlic. Since I will be using a kitchen blender, I do not dice it into tiny pieces as the blender will do the job for me. If you decide not to use any blender, make sure the onion and garlic are both diced into small cubes. Like the avocado, I transfer the onion into the blender and add 1 garlic to them. Now, I just let it cut the ingredients into a creamy mixture. I pause from time to time to shake the content a bit, just to ensure every piece has been chopped. The blender has steadily transformed the chunks of avocado, onion and garlic into a greeny spread. Now I add lemon juice from a quarter of a lemon into the avocado paste. You can also use lime here, however, I personally prefer the acidity of the lemon more compared to the one of the lime. Now is the time to add the final vegetable to the almost finished guacamole. I dice 6 cherry tomatoes and I transfer them into the paste. Some recipes suggest to use plum/Roma tomatoes, however, I prefer the cherry tomatoes as they are richer in flavor. Once done, I add a bit of salt, black pepper and also a bit of cayenne pepper into the blend. Now I mix everything using a teaspoon and taste it, only to find out I'm missing a bit of saltiness. So I add more salt and at the end I add the final, yet optional ingredient, cilantro. I give it a final mix and that's it. The guacamole dip is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching this guacamole recipe. Let me know if you have prepared it at your home and enjoyed it with nachos, finger food, or if you had a nice and tasty dinner. See you next week!